So this is another 100% free masterclass tutorial, and we are going to look at how to create powerful letterheads in Adobe Illustrator, and then we see how to customize them in Microsoft Word for future editing. Yes, so let us dive into this tutorial. In the first place, we are going to create another workspace by going to Files, Create New, and then we select A4 paper, Create, and after creating we are going, so this is our A4 paper, so we are going to create a letterhead in the first place. So I have some information. I am going to copy this and drag them into our workspace. So we are going to balance up this. Yes, so we balance this up and create our letterhead. So yes, our letterhead is now fit to go, but then we are missing a watermark, so we are going to copy this. On a Windows, you hold click Alt and drag to make a copy. So balance this logo in the middle, and we are going to decrease its opacity, and this is opacity. So this is our opacity here, so we are going to decrease it until it cannot distract our letter. In case you are to type in a letter, so it can't distract so much, but it will still be visible into the letterhead. So I'll give it 10%. Yes, so wonderful. So this is our letterhead. Now what we are going to do, we are going to export the letterhead, and then we get to know how to customize it for use in Microsoft Word. So let us export this. We go to File, Export, and select Export for Screen. Dialog box comes in, so we check PNG, and then come to the resolution, select resolution here. I love 300 pixels because this is the highest, which can give you a good depth of a PNG picture. So in this middle space, we are going to give it a file name, and let us call it letterhead. So come to this, we want it in transparent, or you can check white, but I want it in transparent mode. So save the settings. After saving the settings, yes, we export our artboard. It gives a warning, sorry about that. So what we are missing is a location. Well, we didn't save our artboard in the first place, so cancel this. So let us first save the document. So we give it letterhead, select PDF, and then and then let us save this. Yes, okay, so let's go back to exporting our document. Still saving. Yes, so let's export our document. We go back to file and then we select export, select export for screen, resolution 300 ppi, give it a name, letterhead, make sure this is selected as PNG, and in the settings here we need it as transparent or white, so let's give it a white, save and export our artboard. It exports immediately and it opens up a folder. So what we do, we select where it has saved it. So let's close Illustrator, and then we are going to open Microsoft Word. So in Microsoft Word, we select a new blank document. Yes, let's widen this. So we are going to go to design, select design, and we are looking for watermark. Design, watermark. So we are going to create a custom watermark. So there are templates of designing watermark in Microsoft Word. So but we don't need this. We are going to create our own custom watermark, so with our own precise settings. So we select custom watermark. So brings our dialog box. So let us move it here to where we can see our page. So on the dialog box, this is printed watermark. So you shall see it is selected in no watermark. So select picture watermark, and when you select picture watermark, it will give you select a picture or choose a picture. So it brings this. We don't want to get the picture online, so we select work offline and search for our PNG picture of the letterhead, and this is it. Double click it, and then it is fixed into our destinations here. So we are going to select scale, choose scale. First of all, this is wash out, uncheck the washout, go to scale and make it 100% and apply this. So you see our letterhead has already been applied. So I want to show you this. When you select a scale of 50 and apply it, it will be small, damn small. But when you go back to scale and select 100, so 100 allows it to fit into the full paper. So select cancel, and then our letterhead has been customized in Microsoft Word. So at any time you want to type a letter, let's type in our letter, go back to home and double click in here, and let's type Double click and let's type our letter. Dear viewers. Yes. So we are good to go. In case you want to copy or to create another page of the same document, so creating another document, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift. So each time you create another copy of the document paper, the letterhead will always be transferred automatically onto the next page. So we undo this. For another thing, you will realize the watermark is a little bit, its opacity, it's not so clear and most visible. So this is how it looks while you are still editing it in Microsoft Word. But when you save the letter and you print it, if you save it and export it to Word, so you can still export this letter into PDF or save it as a PDF, and then it will be visible in the PDF format. So also when you are printing the letter, the letterhead will still be visible. But for the case of in the document, it won't be visible. So you shouldn't get scared when you see this. So let us try saving it as a PDF and see how it looks like. So we go to File and we say Save As. Save As. We say to the PC. We choose destination. Let's go to where we want to save it. So dear viewer is our letter. So let us choose PDF. Save as type, choose PDF, and then we save. And it has already been saved. So let us go and check it out. And so yeah, this is it. When we double click it, we are going to open it and view it. So there is our letterhead. After exporting it to PDF format, it is now visible and visible enough. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope it has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel or to give a thumbs up, like the video, and probably repost it and share it for use for anyone who would love to understand and get knowledge on how to do this. Thank you very much. I'm Animation King. Let's meet next time into another tutorial. Bye bye.